so he wants to know that on the phone. He doing not big off on parties. He's soft. Yo, kids. Hey, I don't care, Dad. You want to say I'm down behind this, man? Hope your kids die. Turn your ass around. Man, what the f you doing?
In Palm Coast's Quiet S section, what started as a verbal dispute in the middle of the road quickly escalated into a confrontation between a Flagler County deputy and 24-year-old Ty Jackson. Deputies were called to keep the peace, but within minutes, Jackson allegedly struck the very deputy who was trying to separate him from the argument.
He wants to know that on the phone. He doing not big off on parties. He's soft. Yo, kids. Hey, I don't care, Dad. You want to say I'm down behind this, man? Okay, but you're lucky.
All right, come over here, man.
He's so fucking soft, and then nigga appear.
22 Victor.
Soft. I hope your kids die. Hope your kids die.
Come on.
I hate you. Why you say that?
You cuffs right now?
I don't give a fuck. Get off me. Man, get your ass on me, man. What the fuck? Move, man. Get your car.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, you so stupid.
Turn your ass around.
Ass around.
Hands behind your back.
I got him right here.
No, back up, sir.
Hold on, man. I'm helping him.
Back up.
I'm helping him.
All right, I got it. Thank you.
God damn.
This all happened so fast and Ty ended up in handcuffs. But later, when his father explained the real reason behind his aggression, the story took an insane turn.
Don't throw my fucking hands at me, man.
Yo. So you need to back up.
Come here. Listen, we don't.
Is this it, sir?
Yeah. Listen, we don't know what's going on. We just coming in. I appreciate you helping. You gotta understand. We come up on these things.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
And you're a big man. You already scared. What happened?
That's my son.
That's your son. What happened?
He got a ride over here. That's my granddaughter's dad. He just got a little life. Came over here. He started with him. I'm trying to break it up. My house is a mess. Oh, no. And I'm trying to, bro, just go. Yeah, I'm good. Go, just go. I'm trying to control him. The cop come up. He foot around and push the car. That's
yes, sir.
And then we start strapping. I'm trying to, man, what the f you doing? I'm going to jail now. That's when we had him on the car. And then y'all came around.
So this is your son as well?
Yeah, this is my son.
This is your grandson?
No. My granddaughter father.
Okay.
My granddaughter father.
So who's fighting who or who's arguing? Did it get physical with y'all in the house?
It always try to get physical, but I'm in the middle of it. I'm got him detained on inside my house.
Yes, sir.
And, then they just talking shit. And then when he came up,
this young man just here and your son?
My daughter got a baby from him. So they just reunited.
Okay.
He didn't like it.
Oh, starting to come together.
And
I'm old. You got to put it together for me.
Yeah, I'll be 55 in 2 months. So
I'm ahead by a year. Hey, we're still kicking.
Yes, sir.
Is
that too tight on you?
No, you put some pins in, please.
What's that?
You put some pins.
Yeah, I'll get them. Are they falling down?
No, sorry.
All right, hold on. Hold on a second.
I ain't gonna do nothing, man.
All right, y'all welcome, all right? Better? All right, what's your name, sir?
Ty Jackson.
What is it?
Ty Jackson.
Ty? Okay. Is that so hard, man?
No, my fault. I was just enraged, man.
What's going on with y'all?
I'm just tired of shit, man. Tired of what? Tired of everything, bro. I'm tired of everything. Like, he talking, bro. Look how he talking. He wouldn't do that when I hit him, man.
All right, ignore that. We're trying to find out what's going on, okay?
What happened? We're going to get their story out, all right?
Man, but I don't want to talk, man. I don't want to talk.
So you don't want that story out loud?
What do you want to tell, you know? Yo, bum, that's my sister, father child. He a loser, man. He a loser. Just ain't none of
I
me.
got to take everything out of your pocket.
You'll try that in, all right? Go, chill with Jackson.
When officers were putting him in the back seat of the police car, they noticed he had a cut on his hand. He was so aggressive, he didn't even realize it.
So I see you got a cut on your wrist, too.
I can't see it.
Right here, you got a cut. You want to get it checked out?
I can't see it.
Oh, I'm just letting you know.
It's just like a little...
It's a scratch.
It's great.
Okay.
Alright, take a seat.
You can sit in there however you need to. Just don't lay down if you could, okay?
We understand. Listen, this happens every time we come. He understands.
But like I say, we had him contained. He came around. Man, he just done fucked up everything, man.
Yeah.
He got
He doesn't like them being back together. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
So was him and him physical?
No, they
Wrestling?
They was trying to get physical, but I jumped in.
Yes, sir.
And I had him contained on, because I got a glass door. I had him contained on the door.
Okay.
And then I told my wife, because I couldn't allow, I had him, and my wife came and unlocked the door, and I took him out.
Okay. All right.
So,
All right.
that's how that was. Well, I just talked to him this morning. I said, man, leave that shit alone. Leave it alone. And then he gonna tell me, oh, he just got off from work. He work at a Red Roof Hotel. He finna come over here. I said, you're not finna come over here. You know I don't play, because I don't play that shit. You're not finna come over and start with nobody. We sitting there eating. Somebody knocked on the door. And when I looked up, he come around the curb, and they started talking shit, and then I got up and got in between.
So who was fighting?
Not cool. Not bringing.
That's my son there.
Okay, who was he fighting?
But he was trying to fight with him.
Oh.
That's my granddaughter's father.
At any point, did they make contact?
Huh?
Did they make any physical contact with each other?
No, like I say, I was
Or you
in
only
between.
pushed-
I was just
or
telling
you
him.
only pushed you off?
Yeah, he just like, no, he was like, put your hand on the back, and he went like that.
All right.
And then that's when I grabbed him and put him on the car. I said, man, what the f you want to do? You want to go to jail now, don't you?
I got you. All right.
So, like I say, in the house, I had that under control because my wife had him back them up, and I had him on the door. Mm-hmm. So I told him to leave that shit alone and get the f out of my house, because you know I don't play this.
All right. I got you.
After getting the whole situation under control, the officers questioned the victim. What he revealed to them took the story in another direction.
How's it going, sir? So, obviously, I wasn't here for whatever was going on. You want to give me a rundown of what happened?
Sure. Her dad, my kid is here.
Mm-hmm.
They invited us over for dinner or whatever. We came over and ate. I spoke with her dad about what was going on because we had a baby. And I got 4 other kids. So
Okay.
it's like, you know how it be, it's rough.
Yeah.
So it's like, he feel his way, you feel me? Me and his
Who's
dad.
that, her brother?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
my daughter's mom's brother.
Okay.
He feel his way. I'm a grown man at the end of the day. We could have talked about the situation.
Yeah.
We heard a knock at the door. He came in. I was sitting like this.
Yeah.
And as if you were him, he came in from behind me. He tried to swing. He missed. I got up. I backed up.
Were the two of you having an argument or something?
No.
Your baby mama?
We're cool. The argument was between me and him. Well, it wasn't even an argument. Like, he feel his
You guys
way.
got beef prior? Or?
I don't even know him, bro. Like, I don't
Okay.
even know him, bro. Like,
Do you have your ID on you, sir?
why do I need my ID? I didn't commit a crime.
For the investigation.
Yeah, we were here
I got a
investigating.
picture on my phone.
That's
Oh,
fine.
that works.
As long as I got a name and date of birth.
Did anyone else see any of this happen, or was it just you 3?
We were all in the house. We were eating. He came in. We were all of us were in the house eating.
Did anything get physical?
Nah, nothing got physical. Like,
Okay. Until the officer came?
Yeah.
What happened when the officer came?
His dad was backing him up.
Backing the officer up?
No,
or-
his dad was backing. The dude that's in the car is his son.
Yeah.
So he was backing, like, trying to tell him just back up and just go down the street. Like, just go, just leave. And
Telling the officer that, or telling his
he's
son?
telling his son
Okay,
to leave. This
I got
officer
you.
wasn't here yet.
Yeah.
Then in the midst of them doing that, the officer pulled up and tried to help his dad.
Yeah.
So as they were getting like scuffling back
Yeah,
and
yeah,
forth, I guess he tried to like push his son tried to push the
How do you know them two?
Who's them?
Yeah.
The girl who just came out here, that's my baby mom. That's my daughter's mom.
Okay.
That's her dad.
Okay, so you're the son-in-law.
Right.
Somewhat son-in-law.
Right.
All right, I got you.
The
And
dude that's in the
he's
car
like
is the brother.
some kind of uncle, brother-in-law,
Right.
whatever. All
He
right.
feels his way about the situation.
About you and her?
Right.
So that's where you guys got in an argument?
He got an argument by himself. I never said. We were in there eating.
Yeah,
dinner.
yeah. Just you two in general. We're just trying to figure out what exactly happened.
Yeah,
So
we were in there eating dinner. Like I had a plate in my hand eating food.
Yeah, I got
And
you.
we heard a knock at the door. And yeah, that's all. We heard a knock at the door. And
What did he say? What did he say when he came to the door?
You pussy. And he swung and missed, but I just backed up. Like,
Just out of nowhere? Was like you guys were eating and then he showed up?
yes,
Does he
we
live
were
here?
all in there eating.
Okay.
I don't know where the he came from, but his dad already told us he was coming, so we could have a talk. His dad already said, "That's my daughter right there." His dad already said, like, it's nothing's going down in here. Like this, he respect me. Ain't no fighting, none of that. We gonna talk like men. And we heard the knock at the door, and he came in. He tried to swing, he missed. I backed up. his dad grabbed him,
Yeah.
pushed him to the door, told him get out the house, get out the house. He got out the house.
You two never got physical though? He
Nah.
never laid a hand on you?
No,
Okay.
he didn't touch me. He didn't
All right.
I was standing.
How old is he?
I don't know him.
24. He's your brother?
I don't know.
Okay.
I was just.
Can we talk?
Why did he like?
You can bring her. That's fine. I like babies. All right. So, any idea why he would just come over and?
He don't like him.
He doesn't like. That's it.
That's it. They got into it over the phone like a week ago, and my daddy tried to make peace because he got to be to the house to help with her while I go to work. He wasn't trying to hear that. He told my daddy he was coming over here. My daddy said, "Don't bring your ass over here with that." Next thing you know, it's a knock at the door. We thinking it's my sister coming from work from the B section. He come in trying to attack him. Then they get to squabbling. Then, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I hit him too because he said something about me that was disrespectful as hell. So I ran up on him and hit his ass too. And then my daddy got, but mainly it was my daddy and him scuffling.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Is he known to have a temper?
No, he
So
never
this
got in
is total-
trouble.
Wow.
He been babysitting my granddaughter ever since she been born. Like I say, he wasn't in. Y'all get up. He wasn't in his life. And she's what, almost 2? Yeah. And so he been taking care of while she worked. And then
He's got a lot vested.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he did a lot. And he feel like, what he did, he don't like him for that. But like I told
Because
him,
he left the scene and now all of a sudden he's back in.
After
I
the
get all
after
that.
the DNA test.
I get all that.
So I told him, I said, Tom, man, you got to give second chance. I said, now he want to be in his daughter's life. He got the right to be in her life because that's his biological daughter.
God says we got to forgive. That's a hard one to haul.
Yeah, it is. And I
It's
said,
a hard one.
And I told him, I said, thank God, and I commend him. I said, because if we can't do it, she'll bring him over here.
Yes, sir.
So, I said, thank God, you was there, you were doing what you're doing. But Todd, if you want to get back in her life, you don't have no decision. You don't have no say so.
Yeah.
Because that's his baby.
Yep. It's her decision.
You're right. And she made her decision.
And I'm
then
sure.
hey, you picking, she picking sides and all that shit. Picking what? It's no sign to pick.
Yeah. It's good that he's here to take on his responsibility.
There you go.
That's important.
There you go, man.
Because I know mom and dad have been handling that responsibility.
But see, her, him, and my other son that live in St. Augustine, they from a white girl. But this is my wife here. And, when she got on drugs, and we had to get them when they was babies, small. And we took them until they turned 18 and left the house.
Okay. So
it is what it is. And he said some hurtful things. Oh, you don't do shit for me, Dad. I said, what the f*** you mean I don't do shit for you? When your mama got on drugs, who came and got y'all? Oh, that ain't shit there. I said, I shouldn't have to be taking care of you. You're 23 years old. You got your job. I ain't got to take care of you.
right.
But I give you what you want if I got it. But he said a lot of hurtful things that hurt me. And I told him, I said, you're going to regret everything you say, son. I said, because right now, you blackballed for me. I wash my hands.
He's got to learn.
I wash my hands.
Sometimes we got to grow up the hard way.
There you go. But they always grew up on the right side. Because he'll tell you,
Y'all did your part.
I didn't play. I would tear your ass up. As soon as you do something, I'll tear your ass up.
Good. These are the kind of parents we like. Right here.
You're right.
This is what we like.
They should know better.
This is what they don't even understand how we grew up.
For sure.
Shit, where was the where was DCF when we were coming up?
Oh yeah, it was in my dad's belt,
Right,
swinging
exactly.
across
Belt.
whatever he could get.
I ain't never heard of a belt. Stitching core, I'm on had whips all up my arm.
Oh yeah.
Man, shit. And I tell him, I said, but y'all generation is so much different back in my era.
We never even thought about calling the cops when we're getting beat.
Because you couldn't.
And then you'd be like, oh, did you call us for
There you
that?
go. There you
We
go.
can finish beating him.
There you go. There you go. You're
That's
right about
exactly
that.
right.
But now it's so different now, man.
It is.
So who all was present? You,
Everybody.
him,
All of
Dad,
us.
you,
Everybody.
stepmom?
He's the only one that came by himself. Everybody who's out here right now, we were already in the house eating
Okay.
food. It wasn't really took him. His dad was gonna have all of us talk like men, basically. Like he acting like a child. He just came straight in the house on 10. Like you pussy. Like what? I got a whole plate of food in my hand.
Okay.
It's still someone that was in his life raising him.
True.
So those are all titles.
We show
I'm sorry.
no,
about that,
we show up. We need to take care of things and then
man.
calm everything down.
What, y'all take him to jail? Don't take him to jail. I'll take him home.
I don't even think you want to.
I don't know what this. I wasn't here. I don't know why he got locked up or he put in handcuffs before that.
Well, like I say, he don't drive. He never got in trouble in his life.
Yeah.
Never. Damn, man. He just should have just listened to me, man. Just listen to me. I'm your dad. I always tell all my kids, I ain't gonna never tell. I'm your dad. I ain't gonna never tell you nothing wrong. Right. And take heed of what I tell you. 'Cause I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong. That's what my granddaddy used to tell me. And when he told me that, you think I got in trouble? Man, my granddaddy didn't
Trouble was a whole different version.
Yes,
back
sir.
then.
Yes, sir.
Because we didn't have cell phones.
None of that shit.
Matter of fact, my mom wouldn't let me back in the house until the streetlights came on.
Oh shit! You couldn't. You couldn't.
If I even
no,
thought about being in that house.
Me, you couldn't come home. You better beat the streetlights home.
Oh yeah.
Man,
yeah.
my mom, man.
Yeah.
You're probably good to clear too. I'll wait with this guy. Going off.
Deputies say interfering with law enforcement through physical contact will land you in jail. Charges: battery on a law enforcement officer, nonviolent obstruction, disorderly conduct, resisting an officer without violence, assault. Jackson was booked into the county jail on Saturday and released the next day after posting a $2,000 bond.